Hi. Today we discuss about the 7 best trolling motor battery for 80 ohm thrust. So let's start. Number 1.
Hi, now we discuss about Ampere Time Life PO4 Deep Cycle Battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type, RV voltage, 12 volts. Number of cells, 4. Item weight, 24.25 pounds. Key feature. The Ampere Time Deep Cycle Battery provides greater power and stable performance. The Ampere Time Life PO4 battery provides more than 4,000 cycles and lasts you more than 10 years. It is 50% lighter than most lead-acid batteries, making it easier to carry and making your fishing endeavors more successful. The battery is a great choice for outdoor use, as it has a great runtime and an easy installation process. We like the battery's water protection abilities and battery management system, which helps spark protection and prevents overheating. The Ampere Time Deep Cycle battery is better than the 24 volts variant, because it is twice the capacity, which is not needed for trolling batteries. A 12-volt battery is more than enough, especially because it provides stable performance and greater power payoff. The lithium-ion battery has no acid discharge, hence, you can put it up in any position you like. The Ampere Time Deep Cycle battery is the best, because it provides more than 4,000 cycles, making it run for more than 10 years. It is 50 times lighter than most lead-acid batteries, weighing only 24.25 pounds. The battery is 95% more efficient, due to the flat discharge curve providing an astronomical boost. Pros. Up to 50 C operating temperature. 95% more efficient. 10-year warranty. High safety protection. Cons. Hard to use for beginners. Our recommendation. We love the Ampere Time Deep Cycle battery, because it is 95% more efficient, and the battery's lasting ability is impeccable. The battery is ideal indoors and outdoors, due to its rugged exterior and compact design. The product buy link is in description below.
Number 2.
Hi. Now we discuss about BTR PowerLife PO4 12-volt, 140 ampere-hour, lithium battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type, trailer. Voltage, 12 volts. Number of cells, 4. Item weight, 32 pounds. Key feature. The BTR PowerLife PO4 battery is fire-resistant, with a handle to carry easily. The high-energy density battery completes more than 400 cycles, making it work for up to 7 years. It has a built-in 100 AB battery management systems, which makes it ultra-safe against short circuits and overheating. The battery is not only perfect for trolling motors, but also for solar panels, RVs, etc. The lithium battery has a 3-month replacement policy, ensuring safety for your investment. The BTR PowerLife PO4 battery is better than the 48-volt one, because it provides enough power and stability for the trolling motor. It is quite a safe battery, because of its fire-resistant exterior and higher energy density. Customers love the battery lifetime technical support and 3-month return warranty. The battery has a longer service life with more than 5,000 cycles. It will last you more than 6 to 7 years, without needing much maintenance. One of the best parts about the battery is that it works for RVs, solar panels, bikes, etc. The 12 volts battery can easily connect to 12 to 34 volts, with a maximum of 560 ampere-hour. Pros. 1/3 of lead battery weight. Fire-resistant. 32 pounds. Cons. Strap comes off. Our recommendation. The BTR PowerLife PO4 battery is one of the best, due to its lightweight design and unlimited technical support. We like its waterproof design, rugged exterior, and its ultra-safe technology. On the other hand, the material used is fire-resistant.
Number 3.
Hi. Now, we discuss about Power Queen, 12 volt, 100 ampere hour, Life PO4 battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type, RV. Voltage, 12.8 volts. Number of cells, 4. Item weight, 24.25 pounds. Key feature. The Power Queen lithium battery has 100% usable capacity to give users maximum advantage. The battery has expandable storage, making it useful for RVs, off-grids, etc., with a voltage capacity of up to 51.2 volts. It has a 5-hour fast charging mechanism, which saves 50% of your time. The Power Queen lithium battery saves 1/2 of the power fee and is eco-friendly. It can provide more than 4,000 cycles in 10 years, and has a 5-year warranty, making it quite reliable. You can use it off-grid for bikes, cars, electric scooters, etc. You can connect the Life PO4 battery in parallel for wide applications. The voltage capacity can extend up to 51.2 volts, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It has a 100A built-in BMS, which provides safety against various hazards. It is short-circuit proof, overheating proof, and prevents battery failures. Pros: 24.25 pounds. 100A built-in BMS. Extendable up to 51.2 volts. Charges in 5 hours. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the Power Queen lithium battery, as it has 5 years of warranty, making your investment secure. It is a maintenance-free battery, with an added strap for easy portability. The product buy link is in description.
Number 4.
Now, we discuss about Battle-Born Batteries Life PO4 Deep Cycle 100 ampere hour 12V lithium battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type, vans. Voltage, 12 volts. Number of cells, 4. Item weight, 29 pounds. The Battle-Born batteries have a battery management system that helps prevent battery failures due to issues like temperature volatility. It is made using lithium-ion technology, which makes the battery long-lasting and cost-effective. The Battle-Born batteries use green energy to make non-toxic products that last more cycles. The battery is lightweight and versatile, making it useful for trolley motors, golf carts, RVs, campers, etc. It provides 5 times faster charging, 10 times more longevity, and 2 to 3 times more power than most lithium-ion batteries. We like the Battle-Born battery's 100 ampere hour battery more than the GC2 cycle, because it is more compact, and can be used in marine and off-grid applications. We love the BMS system in the battery, which makes it reliable and safe. Its shock-resistant ability is ideal, and the battery keeps temperature volatility issues at bay. The Battle-Born battery's Life PO4 battery is perfect for people looking for an ultra-safe device. It has a unique lithium-ion technology that makes the battery last longer and more cost-effective. It is the best trolling motor battery for 80 lb thrust, as it is much safer than most lead batteries. Pros: BMS system, green energy battery, lithium-ion technology. Cons: takes comparatively longer to charge. Our recommendation: we like the Battle-Born battery's Life PO4 battery, because it is quite efficient and saves time. It is 5 times faster and lasts 10 times longer. The product buy link is in description below.
Number 5.
Hi. Now we discuss about Universal Power 12-volt 100 ampere hour AGM sealed lead acid battery. So let's start. Key specifications. Vehicle service type, RV. Voltage, 12 volts. Number of cells, 6. Item weight, 63 pounds. Key feature. The Universal Power AGM battery provides greater power and seamless performance. The Universal Power AGM battery is mountable in any direction you like. It is a great choice for outdoors, as it has a high runtime and an easy installation process. It is lighter than most lead-acid batteries, making it easier to carry, and making your fishing endeavors more successful. We like the battery's safety protocols and BMS system, which helps spark protection and prevents overheating. The Universal Power battery is better than the 24 volts one, because it is twice the capacity not required for trolling batteries. A 12-volt battery is sufficient, especially because it provides stable performance and greater power payoff. The lead-acid battery has minimum discharge, hence, you can put it up in any position you like. One of the best parts about the Universal Power battery is that it is best for outdoors and indoors. Due to its non-leakage and error-free design, you can mount it anywhere indoors. On the other hand, it is ready to use as soon as it is set up, and due to its efficiency, charging does not take long. Pros: high operating temperature, spill-proof battery, maintenance-free, high safety protection. Cons: heavy weight. Our recommendation: we love the Universal Power battery because it is more efficient, and the battery's lasting ability is impeccable. The battery is ideal outdoors and indoors, due to its tough exterior and seamless design. The product buy link is in description below.
Number 6. Hi, now we discuss about Optima 8052 to 161 E31M Bluetop starting and deep cycle battery. So let's start. Key specifications: vehicle service type, trailer boat, voltage, 12 volts. Number of cells, 4. Item weight, 59.8 pounds. Key feature: the Optima Deep Cycle battery is a damage-proof battery with a handle to carry easily. The high-energy density battery is weatherproof and works seamlessly even in a bad environment. It has a built-in BMS system, which makes it ultra-safe against short circuits and overheating. The battery is perfect for trolling motors, solar panels, RVs, etc. It has a spiral cell technology that helps control temperature and avoid overheating. The Optima battery is better than the DER PowerLife PO 448-volt one because it provides enough power and stability for a trolling motor. It is quite a safe battery because of its damage-resistant exterior and higher energy density. Customers love the battery technical support and return warranty, as it helps them get good value for money. One of the best parts about the Optima battery is that it works for RVs, trolling motors, solar panels, bikes, etc. The 12 volts battery can connect to 12 to 34 volts systems easily. The battery is also perfect for a beginner, as it comes with an easy-to-read manual and steady technical support. Pros: weather resistant, fire resistant, 15 times more fire resistant. Cons: strap comes off. Our recommendation: the Optima D31M Bluetop starting battery is one of the best due to its lightweight design and technical support. We like its waterproof design, tough exterior, and its protection technology. On the other hand, the material used is damage-resistant and waterproof. The product buy's link is in the description below. Number 7. Hi. Now we discuss about VMAX MEMFLOR 137-120 AGM sealed marine battery. So let's start. Key specifications: vehicle service type, RV, voltage, 12 volts, number of cells, 6, item weight, 75 pounds. Key feature: the VMAX AGM battery has float service, which helps extend battery life to 8 to 10 years. The VMAX AGM battery is eco-friendly and made using contaminants. It has expandable storage, making it useful for RVs, off-grids, etc. with voltage capacity that can go higher. It has a fast charging mechanism, which comparatively saves most of your time. It can provide more than 4,000 cycles in 10 years, and has a 1-year warranty, making it quite reliable. The VMAX AGM 12 volts battery is a better choice than the 25.6 volts battery, as it is comparatively lightweight and portable. It is the best trolling motor battery for 80 pounds thrust, providing complete usable capacity. Users can get maximum advantage from the fast-charging battery, as it saves much of your time. The VMAX AGM battery uses no contaminants or silica gel, making it environmentally friendly. The battery has great capacity and can be utilized for various purposes. You can use it off-grid for bikes, cars, electric bikes, marine, etc. You can connect the battery in parallel for wide application and longer usability. Pros: 75 pounds. Contaminant-free. Extendable volts. Cons: complicated manual. Our recommendation: we like the VMAX AGM battery, as it has more than 8 years of warranty, making your investment secure. It is a maintenance-free battery that provides efficiency and long-term use. The product buys link is in the description below.